So hello everyone, this is Rakshit Raj and today we are solving the LeetCode question number 2160. Minimum sum of 4 digits number after splitting digits. So what the question says that we are given a positive integer num consisting of exactly 4 digits. Split num into two new integers, new1 and new2 by using the digits found in the num. Leading zeros are allowed in num1 and num2 and all the digits found in num1 must be used. For example, given num is 2932, you have the following digits, two twos, one nine and one three. Some of the possible pairs of new1 and new2 is 22 and 93, 22 and 90, 23 and 92, 223 and 9, and 2 and 329. So as we can see in this example, the if we add the first case, that is 22 and 93, or the second case, that is 23 and 92, we'll get the minimum value that can be get by adding these two these two numbers. So as we can see in this example also, uh, the same example that was given above, and in the another example, that is 4009, uh, the sum possible pairs in this case would be 0 and 49, 49 and 0, 490 and 0, and the minimum sum can be obtained by the pair 4 and 9, that is 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. And at last we have to keep in mind that we have to return the sum of the values of new1 and new2. So what we can do here is, how should we split the numbers so that we can get the smallest value by adding them. So first of all, we should split the new1 and new2 as pair of two digits numbers, as in the constraint we are given that it will be always a 4-digit number. So we'll first split it into two pairs of 2-digit number, uh, and then add them, and we'll return the value. So how should we split it so that we would get the smallest value of addition of new1 and new2. So first of all, we'll use a vector to store each and every digit of the number, integer num, and then we'll sort the number in ascending order, and then we will just add the uh, we'll just add skipping the one value of all the digits, such as if we will take an example of the first question, that is 2932. So what we'll do in here is, first of all, we'll store every digit in a vector, and then we'll sort it in ascending order. So the number would be 2239, and if the number is 2239, what we're going to do is that we'll make a pair of the number, skipping the number just side of the number itself. So if the number is 2239, we'll make a pair of 2 and 3, and then 2 and 9. This will give the minimum possible minimum possible pairs that will give us the minimum value of new1 and new2's addition. So how we can do that is, first we'll move to the code for better clarification. So first of all, we'll declare a vector that will be the data type of integer, and we'll name it as digits. So now we'll iterate each iterate each value of each digit of the num, and we'll store it to the vector digits. So how can we do that? We'll use a while loop that num is greater than 0, and uh, so to add each digit of the each digit of the integer num, what will do here is that first of all uh, we'll uh, push back the last elements of the num itself. Digits dot push back, and what we'll do here is we'll do num modulo 10. So what this step will do, that it will just add num modulo 10, that will be the last digit of the number, the digit num, sorry, the integer num, and so it will just push back the last digit of the integer num into the digits vector, and if we have just stored the last digit of the integer num, we'll remove the last digit, and how can we do that is we'll divide num to 10, so it will store the remaining two digits and remove the last digit. So that's how we'll just store all the digits of the num into the vector digits. And now what we'll do, that we'll sort the uh, sort the uh, sort the vector digits into the ascending order. So this step will sort the digits in ascending order, so the digits will be arranged in ascending order. Now what we can do here is we'll just make a pair of digits, like the first and third digit and second and fourth digit, or we can also do it like the first and fourth digit and second and third digit. It will give the same output. So declare new one, and we'll just proceed it like that we'll make a pair digits of 0 into 10 plus digits of 2. Same as we can do it with num2 by making pair of the second digit with the last digit, and we'll return the sum of the new one and new two. So that's all for this question, and we'll see that it passes through all the test cases or not. So yes, we can see that it passes all the test cases, and now we'll submit this question. That was all for this question. Thank you.